So the other day on Instagram, I hinted that I picked up a box off Amazon, and I was going to reveal later what was in it. Now, what was in it was I bought 4 leaf spring shackles for the Dakota. Why did I buy 4? Well, it's actually cheaper to buy 4 shackles with leaf spring bushings in them and the bolts than it is to buy 2 shackles and the extra bushings and bolts. So it ends up being cheaper, it ends up being more economical, and you have some spares for your friends or Christmas presents or something. So the plan is I'm putting new leaf springs in the Dakota, or new used leaf springs, because the ones that are in it are just clapped out. Before I bought it, it's had some sketchy lift or lowering kit in it. It's had I think it worked as a contractor truck at some point, which is also really weird for an RT. And they're tired. They're done for. I want to get rid of the air shocks that are in the back of it. So we're gonna replace the leaf springs. But before I do that, I want to put new bushings in. I want to make sure that everything's up to par before everything goes in. So I bought 4 shackles. They're Dorman shackles. I'll put the part number in the link or in the description, and I'll even post the link to it on Amazon. They were about $11, $10 or $11 with Amazon Prime each. So I bought 4 of them. Makes a lot of sense. You have spare parts afterwards, but it's actually cheaper. I think Moog bushings, leaf spring bushings were $12 versus the $11 shackle that comes with bolts. So check it out. I did this job with basically hand tools. I did use an impact gun. You could do this with hand tools. I used a ball joint press and a couple of sockets instead of using a hydraulic press. I did have to use a hydraulic press for one of the bushings, but it wasn't necessary. So check it out. I'm going to do a time lapse on it. I'm going to trim this bit of the video down because I was working for, we'll say, 2 hours on this, just trying to figure out. I figured out which cups in my ball joint press worked the best, and then I totally forgot which ones. So check it out, see what works, and hope you enjoy.